Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to take a look at these 45-watt chargers from SCRA UK on Amazon. They sent these out for review. It's actually a 2-pack, but I have one out for testing, so that's why it's not in here. But you do get 2 USB-C cables. They are 10 feet, and then you get 2 power bricks, which are 45 watts apiece. Very nice, and these are PPS chargers. Sorry if you can hear them cutting the grass outside. But these are PPS compatible, so they will charge your Galaxy S23 Ultra, your Tab S8 Ultra, all that kind of stuff at the 45 watt super fast charge 2.0 right there. And they are currently $26.99 on Amazon with a $5 coupon available, so you can get them for 21 bucks for a 2-pack. Not bad at all. And these are nice, like I said, nice long 10-foot braided USB-C cables, metal ends. Nice reinforcement right there, so they're not going to break real easy. Can't beat that for 20 bucks. So right there, SCR AUK on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description where you can pick these up. Like I said, they do fast charging 2.0 on Samsung devices that support it. I actually have the other one, and they're charging my Tab S8 Ultra as we speak, and it is charging at 2.0 speeds, so very nice. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.